Now, the major winter storm that ripped through much of the U.S. East Coast over the weekend has now prompted cancellation of another 1,400 U.S. flights on Sunday. The storm, which brought in hurricane-force winds and heaps of snow to the region, caused major transport problems across the eastern states. This was perhaps the first major blizzard here to hit the region in nearly 4 years. Gusty winds, falling temperatures plunged the East Coast into a deep freeze over the weekend. Dangerous wind chills fell to below 0 degrees. Now, in many locations across the region, after the storm dumped snow from Virginia to Maine, cities like New York and Massachusetts bore the brunt of the storm. Storm Nor'easter, which brought massive snow across the region, intensified into a bomb cyclone on Saturday after undergoing bomb genesis. A bomb cyclone, in simple words, is an intense weather event in which the atmospheric pressure drops quickly, causing heavy precipitation and snowfall. Several U.S. states had declared emergency in response to storm on Saturday, which formed in the Atlantic Ocean off the Carolinas. Over 100,000 households reported long hours of power outages following the storm. According to the U.S. National Weather Department, much quieter weather is now expected across the eastern states, with clearer skies and low-speed wind.
It's pretty light, really.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.